Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome on the channel of Learning English with Abiratis. And today's topic is about gardening vocabulary. So, let's start studying. Parts of the plant: seed, sprout, root, trunk, branch, twig, leaf or leaves, flower. Gardening equipment: hoe, shovel, rake, watering can, shears, scissors, pot, hose, eggs, chainsaw, lawn mower, tractor, boots, gloves, pruning shears, sickle, fence, soil, worm, pollination, bee, petal, stem, pistil. Gardening verbs and phrases: plant a tree, rake the leaves, dig the soil, mow the lawn, water the plants, pick some fruits, harvest lot of fruits, prune the plants, plow the land, spray the pesticides. Okay, that was our lesson for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.